This next product I'm very excited about. I want to give big kudos to them, the folks over at Pixellot, for their AIR portable camera for sports analysis. This product was made for youth sports. It's a Videoguys top product of 2023. What's so cool about it? It's a camera that uses a panoramic lensing with multiple lenses that allows you to see a whole rectangular field, and then it records the video, uploads it to their cloud where it can analyze the video. How can it analyze the video? Let's say it's a football game. It can show you all the touchdowns or all the passing plays. It can isolate a basketball player on one particular player if that's what you want to see. It's a really cool technology if you are a coach, a proud parent, a athletic director who runs multiple, athletic programs, or maybe you run a facility that has 5 or 6 basketball courts that do tournaments in local youth leagues, or a hockey facility. Really cool. You set it up, you record the shows, and then afterwards, after it rolls up to the AI cloud, you get all this great imagery that you can pull out there. You can see the whole widescreen, the whole field of view, or like I said, the AI can focus on what different athletes are doing as part of the game. It's $849. Then there's a nominal charge for the subscription that lets their cloud do all their cool AI stuff that they do up there. The Pixellot AIR portable camera is a Videoguys top product of 2023 and a must-have for anyone involved in youth sports who needs to videotape their players.